All right, listen up. If you're using the iPhone Pro from iPhone 15 Pro onwards, and you're looking to take your log footage from flat to fire in seconds, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some game-changing, brand new custom LUTs made specifically for Apple Log by us at Editor's Keys. These LUTs are dialed in to bring out the true potential of the Apple Log's format, meaning you're going to get incredible color, perfect contrast, and that cinematic look without hours and hours of editing. Simply drop your clips onto your timeline and you can turn your footage from smartphone to high-end in a second. It's drag and drop, and it's that simple. Let me show you. Now, if you haven't used Apple Log before, it's something new to iPhone Pro models which allow you to capture flat, low contrast video that captures a wider range of color depth and detail, especially if you're in bright or dark areas. This makes your footage look washed out initially and can be quite hard and often time-consuming to edit. The log footage can be color corrected and graded to bring back natural colors and contrast, giving editors more control over the final look. But we've designed these LUTs to easily drag and drop on top of your footage, instantly transforming it. It's just so easy. Now, the LUT I'm most excited about is the Editor's Keys one-click fix. This is a LUT if you just want to shoot straight out of camera, no weird looking colors, just something that looks like a high-end cinema camera would shoot. You don't even have to do any further adjustments if you don't want to, so it just looks great and it saves you a ton of time. So let me show you how you can use it in Premiere Pro, but remember this works in all programs such as Final Cut, Media Composer, and LumaFusion as well. Okay, so once you've downloaded our LUT pack from our website, make sure to unzip the folder and then move it out of your downloads into your preferred location. Now, select your clip on the timeline in Premiere Pro, go to Lumetri Color, and then go into the Creative tab and select this drop-down box here. Click Browse, find the LUTs, and then choose your desired LUT. And there you go. If the LUT looks too intense, just simply drag down the intensity slider to the left, or if you want it stronger, drag it up to the right. And that's it. There's a whole selection of LUTs here, and we've catered for everyone's tastes. So you're gonna find a LUT that you love, I'm 100% sure. And let us know in the comment section below which LUT you end up using regularly. Now, of course, you can adjust these with the regular color controls if you want. So if you find a LUT that you love, but you just want to add a bit more saturation or a little bit less saturation, you can do that. I hope you enjoy these LUTs and feel free to tag us in any videos where you've used them. I promise you we'll reshare your clip for you. Thanks for watching, and leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.